Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful admin dashboard template in Bootstrap 5. So guys, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So first is the dashboard demo, the toggle sidebar, just beautiful. The search section and the few icons, see friends, the notification toggle and the dashboard content section, see. Beautiful. This is a beautiful section, just brilliant. See guys, the settings as well. See the beautiful charts, job applicants, employee, to-do list, sales overview section, invoices, projects, task statics, and other section. So friends, if you will have any kind of query, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my beautiful blog, therichpost.com. There's contact us page. You can contact me via my email ID, WhatsApp number, and Upwork ID as well. And guys, I'm a full-time freelancer. You can have me for your services as well. And also, you'll get multiple free things on my blog. And back to dashboard, and after it I will come with more demos. And this is for today. Have a nice weekend. Take care. Bye bye and good night.